Oh my God, if you love peonies, you're going to love this wedding here we're doing today. Look at this gorgeous bridal bouquet we are doing for our lovely bride, Angela Stedrick. Now, she is a destination bride. This is her bridal bouquet, and these are her gorgeous centerpieces. She's getting married in San Diego at the Marriott today. It's July 5th, 2014. All these giant centerpieces are going on these beautiful pedestal vases that she borrowed from us. We always loan those out for free. There's no sense of charging a rental when a bride buys the flowers for you. It doesn't seem fair if you're going to get them back. But look at this gorgeous purple Lisianthus, green hydrangea, gorgeous garden Vandella roses, and most importantly, peonies here in July. A lot of you brides want to know, when is peonies available? My God, well, they're out of season, but she's got them. Just gorgeous bridesmaids bouquets. She got our 50% off special, and she's a funny story about Angela is that she's from San Francisco area, and she came in 2 days ago for the first time. She flew into Orange County Airport and came by. She was one of our destination brides, as you can see the lovely card table piece. She ordered over the phone, basically wasn't sure what she wanted, but put down the deposit on one of our 50 off packages to reserve the date. And when she came in 2 days ago, we whipped her up a sample, we showed her everything, and voila, 2 days later, just an amazing, amazing wedding for a lady that really just popped in at the last minute and put it together. She brought us beautiful pictures, we copied it even better, and she absolutely had a phenomenal experience here. We'd like to thank her for her business and wish her all the best for her wedding, and invite all our brides that live out of state or from far away, even if you're going to come in a day or two before and finalize all your wedding plans. We can start over from scratch then, because we're wholesalers. We supply over 130 florists with their flowers. We've got everything all the time. And in our huge 4,000 square foot shop, we've got thousands of roses, hydrangeas, flowers on hand every day to make your dream wedding come true, no matter what type of lead time you get us. Just absolutely stunning. We really love it, and we're really grateful that we had the opportunity to do this wedding for her. And even peonies, and look at those beautiful rhinestone jewels we put in for her. Boy, is she thrilled. Thank you so much, Angela.